Hi guys, and welcome back to Minute Zero Cubing. Today I'm gonna show you how fast are the Rubik's brains compared to these Speedcubes. Okay, so starting off with 5x5, let's do the inspection time. Okay, I think I've got it inspected. Alright, let's start in 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, that was a good solve. Now, let's see how good we'll be with the Rubik's one. Okay, that was my probably slowest 5x5 solve I've ever done, but yeah, it was terrible, and the turning is very catchy, so I don't recommend it. Next up, we've got the 4x4. Okay, so now let's do the 4x4 solve. Okay, so that wasn't the best cases for 4x4, but I mean, I solved it in a reasonable time, so yeah. Okay, so this is the Rubik's 4x4, and I got it from my friend which had borrowed me this cube, since it's not mine, and yeah, let's go and do the solve. I think I might actually do faster than on the Speedcube, since this is way smaller. Okay, yeah, I definitely did better on this one than that one, but that's just my fault for not buying the right Speedcubes. I mean, yeah, this one is clearly worse. Okay, the inspection, easy. And I was right. It's 30 point something. And now for Rubik's brains. I'm thinking that a good result might be like maybe 35, maybe more, I don't know. Let's try it out. Oh no, a jigper. Alright. Let's fix that, and red, red. Okay, here we go. And that was 35, like I expected it to be. Okay, so the 2x2s, I think the Speedcube will win. Then the 3x3s, of course, the Speedcube. And 4x4, I actually think that the Rubik's one is better, but I don't have a proper Speedcube, so yeah. I'm gonna buy some, because this is better than this one, and this was supposed to be a Speedcube. And here, the final guess is on the NGC. It's super good cube.